What's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping back by the channel today. Hey, my name is William and you're at W&W Mods. Today we've got an unboxing video for you for the Camaro. Been waiting on this for quite some time and it's finally here. Hopefully it's not broken. The box has a few dings in it on the back side over here, so hopefully everything is intact. So let's get to that unboxing. All right, everybody, I'm really excited for this piece here. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time for the Camaro. So it's not what I originally set out to do, but unfortunately with budget restraints, this is the best I can do for right now. Been waiting for this piece to come out in a particular material, and when it finally did, it came out in a very unfriendly price tag. So as much as I wanted it, I just could not see myself spending that type of money right now on that. So this one here is not made out of the same material. However, it is the same product. So hopefully it will look just as good, I think. Maybe later when I hit it big, we can do something else. Oh, how does this come apart? Well, that's not exactly how it comes apart, but that'll work. Usually the Extreme online store, where I order the biggest majority of the stuff for the Camaro, they do a very good job of packaging. So hopefully we don't have any damage. And I don't know if you guys can already tell what this might be, but hopefully you have got some idea of what it is. And it is a, well, I'm not going to tell you. You see if you can figure it out while I continue opening. And if you know what it is before I get it open, you can leave the something in the comments section down below. And these pieces right here, I was really hoping that they would be already attached, but it looks as if they're not. However, this will match the spoiler quite well, because the spoiler is already ABS plastic, because I did not get it in carbon fiber. And I've got carbon fiber on the front of the car, and it kind of trails off to the back, so it might be a good thing that this isn't carbon fiber. Because, for two reasons. One being the price. Second being I'm not sure if there would have been too much carbon fiber. But either way, we have this item here. If I can ever get it open. Appreciate you sticking around for the unboxing, guys. Like I say, this one come from extremeonlinestore.com. You can look them up. They have some great items for the Camaro, Mustangs, Dodges. They're really pretty reasonably priced. This particular item here was 450 bucks. It was on sale, and you just can't beat that because I've been looking and looking and looking, and I just couldn't find anything that come close to that price. And it is, you know, flawless. Everything came with it. Good to go. All I got to do now is decide whether I want to wrap it or leave it like it is. So guys, drop me some links. Well, drop me some comments down below and let me know what you would do. Would you wrap it in carbon fiber? Would you wrap it in black? What would you do? What color would you use? I'll drop a link down below on where you can pick up one of these. I just couldn't see spending that kind of money. Of course, I didn't have that kind of money to spend on a wing. I wanted one, but you know, budget restraints, trying to get other things done. You just can't spend that kind of money in one whack. So this is the budget way to do it. I appreciate you guys watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and clang on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.